Obviously, having the M.2 SSDs in here keeps it looking particularly sparse. There's lots of clean open spaces, airflow moving through here. But also just remembering back in the other PCs that I built, which were for very different purposes, the Hackintosh was very much a hack. Like, one of the things I remember about it was we literally couldn't turn it off, or it might not turn back on again. Like that type of thing. This is just an all-around high-end, fun, great daily driver. Matter of fact, we got Forza on here already. All right, in the controls, I can change video settings to 1440p and on high at 144 FPS. That should look pretty good. And now we're way up at 90 to 100 FPS. So you guys might remember we tried some of this crazy Forza demo on 8K on that machine, on the super high-end main gear. This, even at 1440p on high settings, which looks incredible, I'm pretty much locked at upper 80s, lower 90s FPS. Suffice to say, this Intel card can definitely handle some pretty solid gaming. So this is the screwdriver I will be giving away.